Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a clean workspace and installing essentials. Install VS Code and add extensions like Git, Prettier, and ESLint for consistent formatting. Create a project folder and open it with File right arrow Open Folder. This sets the root for settings and tasks. Once done, initialize version control with git init, add a gitignore tailored to your language, and make the first commit so you have a baseline. These steps ensure reproducibility and faster iteration as you build. You now scaffold and configure the project for development speed. Use the integrated terminal to run scaffold commands like npm init or framework generators. Install dependencies and dev dependencies right away so builds work. Configure workspace settings and add launch, JSON and tasks. JSON to automate builds, runs, and tests. This saves keystrokes. Once configured, run the initial build and test scripts to confirm everything compiles and that debugger configurations attach. You finish by developing, debugging, and preparing the project for delivery. Use IntelliSense and code actions to speed edits and run the debugger, set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables to validate logic. Commit work on branches, then merge with PRs or reviews. Make sure to run lint and format commands, update the README, and push to the remote repository. If something breaks, rerun tests and check launch. JSON paths, often incorrect workspace root, or missing envvars cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.